Hello everyone, it's Miss Courtney and welcome back to STEM Sprouts. Today we are going to be creating our own lava lamps. So lava lamps were a thing that I grew up with. They were usually a glass container, kind of in the shape of a diamond, that would be used as a lamp. So you would plug it into the wall, and when it heated up, there were globs of goo at the bottom that when they would heat up, they would rise up to the top and they'd make all different colors and the globs would be in different shapes, and it was really cool. So today we're going to create our own lava lamp. So the things you'll need will be some vegetable oil, a glass of water, some food coloring, alkaseltzer tablets, a water bottle. I have a beaker. You can also use a regular plastic cup as well, and I have a tray underneath just in case this lava lamp decides to explode. So the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to take our vegetable oil and we're going to fill this up at least 2/3 of the way. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. And then we are going to take our cup of water here, and I'm going to add a few drops of food coloring to it. So I think my lava lamp should be, let's do green, because green is my second favorite color. And I'm going to put just a few drops in here, just to change the color of the water. So you can see that some of it is starting to mix in with the water and make some pretty cool shapes. So we're just gonna let that sit for a second. Okay, so what we are going to find out is if the oil and the water mix. So if you have a guess, say it out loud right now. Okay, so water and oil do not mix in this instance. So these are going to create different layers. So we have our oil layer in here, and my water has turned green now. So we're gonna pour some of that green water in there. You don't have to do the whole thing. So as you can see, some of my water droplets became big blobs, and they're going way down to the bottom. So the oil is a little bit lighter than the water, so it's going to sit right on top. So we're gonna let that settle for just a second. And I'm going to open some of my alkaseltzer tablets. You can leave them whole if you want to when you add this to this experiment. Mine are a little broken up, so I'm going to just use the broken pieces. And what we're going to do is, when it looks pretty settled, is we're going to drop our tablets into the top and see what happens. So my tablet sank all the way to the bottom, and if you look closely, you can see some of the green starting to bubble up through the oil. And this is kind of what a lava lamp used to look like. And you can repeat this lesson as many times as you want. All you'll need is more alkaseltzer tablets. But once the tablet calms down, you can add another one if you would like to. I recommend doing this outside or on a tray because you could overflow your container. Thankfully, I have a really tall container that mine's in. But I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson, and thank you for joining me again for STEM Sprouts. We'll see you again soon. Bye!